Rome is the capital city and a special commune of Italy as well as the capital of the Lazio region. The city has been a major human settlement for almost 3 millennia. It is also the country's most populated commune. Rome is also known for its stunning architecture with the Colosseum, Pantheon and the Trevi Fountain as the main attractions. It was the center of the Roman Empire that ruled the European continent for the several ages, and you will find the smallest country in the world in Rome, Vatican City. Rome became the most powerful state in the world by the 1st century BC through a combination of the military power, political flexibility, economic expansion, and more than a bit of the good luck. This expansion changed the Mediterranean world and also changed Rome itself. It is the perfect blend of history and the modern world. It has it all: beautiful historical sites, amazing shops, and of course the best pizzas ever. Rome is definitely worth visiting. There are so many things to do in Rome, and all the family will find interesting things to do. If you go off the tourist treadmill, the food is delicious and good value for money. And here's a look to the best places to visit in Rome. Number 1. Colosseum. The Colosseum is an oval amphitheater in the center of the city of Rome, Italy, just east of the Rome Forum. It is the largest ancient amphitheater ever built and is still the largest standing amphitheater in the world today, despite the age, measuring 189 meters long, 156 meters wide, and 50 meters in height. The Colosseum is the largest amphitheater in the world. The Colosseum in Rome, Italy, is a large amphitheater that hosted events like gladiatorial games. Design picks including the Colosseum, also named the Flavian Amphitheater, is a large amphitheater in Rome. It was built during the reign of the Flavian emperors as a gift to the Roman people. Number 2. Pantheon. The Pantheon is a former Roman temple and since the year but a Catholic church in Rome, Italy, on the site of an earlier temple commissioned by Marcus Agrippa during the reign of Augustus. It was rebuilt by the Emperor Hadrian and probably dedicated. The Pantheon is one of the best preserved monuments of ancient Rome. The Pantheon is situated on the site of an earlier structure of the same name built around 25 BC by the salesman Marcus Agrippa and is thought to have been designed as a temple for the Roman gods. The Roman Pantheon is the most preserved and the influential buildings of the ancient Rome. It is the Roman temple dedicated to all the gods of pagan Rome. Number 3. St. Peter's Basilica. The Papal Basilica of St. Peter in the Vatican, or simply St. Peter's Basilica, is a church built in the Renaissance style located in the Vatican City, the papal enclave that is within the city of Rome. The center of Christianity, St. Peter's Basilica and its glorious dome dominate over the rooftops of the Eternal City. It is one of the most visited sites in all of the Rhone, both of its artistic beauty and for its importance to the Catholic worshippers. Though it is holy meeting place and an exceptional attraction in the Vatican City, St. Peter's Basilica serves another purpose. It's said to be final resting place of St. Peter, whose tomb is to be rumored to be directly beneath high altar of the basilica. Number 4. Roman Forum. The Roman Forum, also known by its Latin name Forum Romanum, is a rectangular forum surrounded by the ruins of the several important ancient government buildings at the center of the city of Rome. Citizens of the ancient city refer to this space originally as a marketplace as the Forum Magnum or simply the Forum. Roman Forum, Latin Forum Romanum, most important forum in ancient Rome, situated on low ground between the Palatine and Cipitoline hills. The Roman Forum was the scene of public meetings, law courts, and the gladiatorial combats in the Republican times, and was lined with shops and open-air markets. The Roman Forum is essentially the center place for the Roman being served as a marketplace. Explanation: Forum literally stands for the open area as a court or plaza which every earlier served the purpose for the political and the ritual gatherings, later which served the purpose of marketization and commercialization. region. Number 5. Hadrian's Villa. Hadrian's Villa is a UNESCO World Heritage Site comprising the ruins and the archaeological remains of a large villa complex built 120 AD by the Roman Emperor Hadrian at Tivoli outside of Rome. The site is owned by the Republic of Italy and has been managed since 2014 by the Polo Mozzale del Lazio. Set among the rolling hills in the countryside of Campagna, Hadrian's Villa graces an area larger than the Pompeii with its many pools, baths, fountains, and the majestic classical architecture. The villa's chief architect, the emperor himself, reinvented the idea of classical Greek architecture in the Roman society.